bonding my hair, and I'm going in about once a month. It's kind of typically how those services go. And then we moved far away. We moved states away, and I had to figure this out on my own. I sort of have this attitude like, okay, I guess I gotta figure it out. And that's what I do. So I started bonding my hair on my own. I was terrified, but I knew I could figure it out. And so that's what I did. I figured it out. I started working in a job completely unrelated to hair. I got fired from that job. I used to not say that I was fired from that job. It was the best thing that could have happened to me. I kid you not, it was not but 30 days until I was into cosmetology school. I was enrolled and I was rolling. I knew what I wanted. I knew I wanted to be in hair replacement, and I knew that I had to get my license to do it. So by this time I'm like early 30s, and I'm going to cosmetology school with a bunch of like 18-year-olds. Like, these girls just got out of high school. It was a blast. Cosmetology school for me was so much fun. It was always a process of, trying to explain to people why I was there. And, because people talk to you like, oh, what do you want to do when you graduate? I would tell them. And it was always like a big, long explanation because people didn't know. They still don't know. I was telling somebody about it, and it was one of my fellow male students. And he said to me, oh, so you're doing hair for like people with special needs. And I thought, what? I was shocked and I was offended. And so I came home and I told my family, and I said, can you believe this? Can you believe he would say something like this? One of my family members said to me, they said, Amber, if you didn't have hair loss, you probably wouldn't know much about it either. I didn't like it, but I understood. It taught me that people don't know about this, and people need an education about hair loss with women. People assume if you're a woman and you have hair loss, oh, you must be sick. Something happened. Maybe you have a poor diet. Like, something's up. Because women just don't typically have hair loss. Well, guess what? They do.